Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Listening Stories podcast. If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video. It really helps us a lot.
And my name is Anna. I am so happy to be here.
Anna, let me ask you a question, and I want to ask our listeners too. Have you ever run for a bus and missed it? You watch the bus drive away. You are sweaty, you are tired, and you are late.
Oh, yes, Leo. That happened to me last week. It is so frustrating.
Don't worry, it happens to everyone. Today, we have a short story about a girl named Sarah. She missed her bus. We will learn useful phrases about being late and making new plans. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Oh, no! Wait! Please wait!
Sarah, you missed it. It's gone.
I can't believe it. I ran so fast. I'm out of breath.
Don't worry, there is another bus in 20 minutes.
20 minutes, but I will be late for work. My boss will freak out.
Just call him. Tell him you were running late.
You're right. I will call him now. Maybe I can get a coffee while we wait.
Good idea. Let's make the best of it.
Okay, Anna. That was a great conversation. Now let's practice. I will ask questions about the story. You answer out loud. Listeners, answer with Anna. Question 1. Did Sarah catch the bus?
No, she didn't. She missed the bus.
Correct. She missed it. Question 2. Is Sarah breathing normally?
No, she isn't. She is out of breath.
Exactly. She ran fast, so she is out of breath. Did she run slow?
No, she didn't. She ran fast.
Question 3. When is the next bus? Is it in 2 hours?
No, it isn't. It is in 20 minutes.
Right. The next bus is in 20 minutes. Question 4. Why is Sarah worried? Will her boss be happy?
No, he won't be happy. She thinks he will freak out.
Does freak out mean to be calm?
No, it doesn't. It means to get angry or scared.
Question 5. What will Sarah do? Will she go home?
No, she won't go home. She will call her boss.
What will she tell him?
She will tell him she's running late.
Great job, Anna, and great job to everyone listening. Now let's do shadowing. This is the secret to speaking fluently. Repeat exactly what you hear. Copy the rhythm, copy the emotion. Ready? Let's go. Oh no, wait, please wait. Sarah, you missed it. It's gone. I am out of breath. There's another bus in 20 minutes. My boss will freak out. Tell him you are running late. I will call him now. Let's make the best of it. Fantastic. Do you feel more confident? I think you sound like a native speaker. You did amazing work today. Missing a bus is stressful, but speaking English shouldn't be. You are practicing and you are improving. Keep going.
Yes, every day is a new chance to learn. You can do it.
Do you want to speak even better? Check out our shadowing course. It helps you speak fast and clear. The link is below.
And please like this video if it helped you, and subscribe to the channel. We have many more stories for you.
Thank you for watching, guys. Now I'd recommend you watch this video next. It is about ordering coffee in English. I promise you will love it.
See you next time. Bye-bye.